YouTube just rolled out three massive updates that could change your entire creator's journey. From a new AdSense payment rule that saves you weeks of stress to, most importantly, a recent new monetization update for smaller content creators, and even a brand new AI features that lets you reach global viewers in seconds. Believe me when I say this is definitely not something that you would want to miss. So without much being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, let's start with the most exciting and the most powerful one, which is no more waiting for weeks to get that Google AdSense pin. Like, if you don't know, before now, YouTube and Google have recently rolled out a new means in which you can be able to verify your identity like as soon as possible in less than 10 minutes, and complete your verification and start earning ASAP from YouTube without you having to wait for like 1 month, for like 7 weeks, in order for your Google AdSense pin to arrive, which was the former method. And that is what I personally use on this my channel, and I know the stress, I know the headache, I know the tears it cost me, because I literally wait for almost 2 months before my Google pin could arrive. But here we are today with this latest new update, and the most important thing is that I was able to do it with one of my students just 3 days ago. So right now I'm going to be briefly explaining to you step by step process of how you can be able to achieve this, just very quick. Then we go over to the second most important update. You wouldn't want to miss any part of this video at all. So as usual, the minute you get monetized, you're going to be asked to go ahead and turn on those three icons, which is getting review and applying for the Google AdSense pin, that is setting your AdSense account, and the last one is being able to turn channel membership. Now once you're done with these three things, then the next requirement is for you to get your first $10 threshold. Now after getting your first $10 threshold, if it was before, YouTube will send you an email for you to like request for your Google AdSense pin, that is that 6-digit pin, which usually takes up to 3 weeks. But if you are in Nigeria, it can take you up to 1 month. Just like me, it took me close to 2 months before mine finally arrived. But now there's no longer time for that stress. So let's assume that you've met your $10 threshold. Then this is a similar email that YouTube will be sending to you, which reads, you need to verify your identity within 45 days to continue monetization. And it's going to simply show you the two recent. So now these are the two options. That is ways to get verified. You have two options to complete verification, and the first one is using a faster online process through a trusted verification provider personnel. It will only take around 10 minutes, and during the process you'll be able to provide an image of your current government issued photo ID to complete your verification. Then the second one, which is number two, is the use of your address to verify. That is for you to be able to like apply for the pin, and the pin will take like 3 weeks. So right now the ball is in your court, or how do they call it, it's in your hand to choose the one that you'll be using. And of course, if you don't like stress, which one will you be going with? It's not the first one. So right now what you just simply need to do, if you get this email, is for you to go ahead immediately ASAP, go ahead to apply. But before you apply, because I had issue with one of my students, which is the name on the AdSense, be on the payment slip, is different from the name on the national ID card. So before you go ahead to proceed to this particular thing, you have to make sure that every single thing is accurate. If not, you will be stalked. The verification cannot be complete, so you have to try your best to pay attention. And once you go ahead to click on that apply, it's very easy and simple. It's going to bring you over to this particular place, and it will be redirecting you straight to personnel. So once you get to this place, what you just simply need to do is to click on continue, and it will bring you over here where you need to begin your verifying. Now it's going to ask you to select your country, so go ahead and select your country. Then the next option is this particular place where you have these four options. The first one is your driver license, the second one is your national ID, the third one is your passport, and the fourth one is a voter's ID card. So now choose the one that you will use. I think one of the easiest and simplest one here is for you to use is the national ID. But if you don't have national ID and you have your driver license like it's current, then go ahead and use it. So what you just need to do is to just take the picture of the front and back of the national ID card or whatever documents you're using and submit it to them. Then after that, you'll be asked to do a facial verification. After that, that is all. Like in less than 10 minutes, we were able to do this. It was so super smooth, and it was very easy, and it was very simple. So this is a beautiful update that it's even paining me that it was after when I got monetized and I stressed myself for like almost 2 months that this beautiful update is coming. So this is to tell you that you guys are lucky. If you're not yet monetized, you are actually lucky because this is beautiful. So right now, let's delve into the number two most important information. So the number two update is easier monetization rule, which is your 3,000 public watch hours. So now let's quickly talk about the monetization. YouTube recently updated its partner program requirements to 500 subscribers and 3,000 public watch hour for you to be eligible for monetization. Unlike before, whereby you need to hit the requirement of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. Right now, if you have just 500 subs and if you have just 3,000 watch hour, you can go ahead to apply for the YouTube partnership program and you will be accepted. Just about 2 weeks back, two people that I know got monetized from this recent update, and for my channel, that was how I was able to get monetized. So if you're out there, you're building your channel, once you get to 3,000 public watch hour and YouTube sends you that information, do not hesitate. Don't feel what is going on, am I being cheated, or what is really going on. Just go ahead and apply. But one thing is, once you apply with 3,000 public watch hour, you're going to be denied one particular benefit, and that benefit is that is being able to earn from your video. That is, ads will not be placed on your videos. So you will have to still work out till you are able to hit that 4,000 watch hour. But it's actually a good thing because once you're monetized with that 3,000 watch hour and you start going on live, people start super chatting you and gifting you, you start making money. And also somebody can also gift you from your short form video and also join your channel membership. This particular thing really helped me to gather the few amount of revenue I was able to like accumulate before finally hitting my 4,000 watch hour, I think in about 8 days time. So once you get to your 3,000 public watch hour, do not hesitate, go ahead and apply and start live streaming. Try your best to create your channel membership and ask people to join. That way you're going to be making money and still be working harder till you're able to hit that 4,000 main requirements. And one sad news is that it is actually limited to some countries, but countries like Nigeria is eligible for this particular benefit. So the very last and third most powerful update that the YouTube algorithm just released to us is the auto dubbing feature. Guys, this is literally the best update so far, and too bad a lot of YouTubers out there are really confused about how this particular thing works or what is the impact on your video. Right now I'm going to be explaining to you how this beautiful feature work and how you can start using it ASAP. So this recent update, which is the auto dubbing that YouTube recently introduced to us, it is mainly powered by AI, and this simply means that YouTube can now automatically dub your voice from your video into other language using realistic AI voices. So instead of somebody to just click on your video and go and click on that subtitle for whatever you're saying to start displaying on the screen, right now the person can actually change the voice of the video itself, because a lot of us here, we might be speaking English, but we have core viewers from India, from Spanish, from all these Cote d'Ivoire, that is some countries that don't really understand English. So this particular feature now can enable anybody to be able to watch your video and switch it to another language. Now, for example, just imagine making a video and posting it here on YouTube, and YouTube itself now helps you to like change the video, change the voice to French, to like Spanish. This simply means that your video is going to really go global. Because sometimes from my audience location, I see countries like Arab, and I'll be like, does these people really understand English? I don't know that for them to like actually watch my video, they they have to like put it on subtitle. But right now they can actually just go ahead and change my voice, and I'll be speaking Chinese, I'll be speaking in Spanish, and I'll also be speaking in French, depending on wherever you're watching me from. So right now, if you're out there and you're wondering, okay, Princess, how can I be able to use it? It's very, very easy. Log on to your YouTube Studio desktop version, then go ahead and click on that subtitle, then you add language and tick that audio track if it is available. Now you have to bear it at the back of your mind that this is a new update. That is, if you go to your YouTube Studio desktop version and you check it and you didn't see it, you don't have to start panicking. Oh, YouTube does not like me. This update, it will take time by time, like for it to like actually circulate. As of when filming this particular video, two of my students, one of them have this feature, but the other one is yet to have it. So this is to tell you that YouTube just launched the update and it will take time to circulate. So right now, if you're out there and you've been able to like access this particular feature, drop it in the comment section. And if you've not been able to like access it, still drop it in the comment section, because I believe you are not the only one. Like right now, I feel I'm the most happiest person hearing this beautiful update. So it's left for you watching me. Which of these updates is your favorite? Like, which one do you like the most? As for me, I think I prefer that AdSense verification. Bro, if you know you're monetized, like if you apply for this pin, you will know what is called frustration. Though I know that some people are just naturally very, very lucky. Like I have creators like Glory C. Shout out to you. She got her pin with ease. Like in this Nigeria, mine took me almost 2 months. I know the crying, the fasting, the praying that I did for the pin to arrive. But now you can just do it 10 minutes online and you're done, just like you are in outside country. So which of these updates is your favorite, and which one have you been like be able to like access? So I'll meet you all in the comment section. If you watch this video to this extent, you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel for you to always get premium updates and the latest way for you to grow here on YouTube faster, like no dulling. And also, if you've not yet liked this video, do well to like this video, share this video, because this is a brand new update and a lot of small channels out there need to hear this. And always, lastly, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.